Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex and I'm on board our Leisure 20 that we have for sale. Nicely presented little leisure, little pocket cruiser with 4 berths, brand new engine, has been very well looked after over the years. It does have a saloon table, which is there in the berth. Lots of upgrades. Sink and a little portable cooker, but there is gas on board to be plumbed in for a gas cooker if needed. It's a porta potty. Nice forward cabin. It's obviously used for storage at the minute with the sails and boom and cushions. If you'd like more information and photographs of the boat, you can visit boatshedessex.com and we would also be pleased to organise a viewing for you. Thank you very much.